Got that snowstorm moving in for tomorrow night. I'll have the latest coming up next. Welcome back to Lambeau Field. You know when you go to a restaurant or a bar and you hear the busboy kind of empty all the cans and bottles into a large garbage can? We just had that experience here at Lambeau Field. We had a south wind that hit the north part of the bleachers, and all the stadium bleacher seats came cascading down the bleachers along with cans. It was crazy. I mean, it was something to see. And the wind that we're going to get from this storm hasn't even really started yet. Okay, let's take a look at the storm that's headed our way. We've got a storm alert here at NBC 26. There's a winter storm warning up for most of the viewing area for tomorrow evening into Monday morning. Across the south, we are looking at a winter weather advisory. Heavy snow is likely tomorrow night with this storm. We're going to have northwest winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour on Monday. That'll produce blowing and drifting snow because temperatures are going to be dropping through the 20s and into the teens. And of course, hazardous traveling can be expected across the area. Once again, I think most of us end up with about 3 to 6 inches of snow, but across the far north, northern Oconto County, much of Marinette County, up into the UP, 9, 10, 11, 12 inches of snow. Not out of the question. Farther south, a little bit lower once you get down towards Waupun and then Campbellsport and then over towards Sheboygan, about 1 to 3 inches in those areas. We had a few sprinkles and light rain showers across the area this evening, as you can see on the radar. We've also had some areas of fog out there. Currently in Green Bay, you can see that fog has settled over Lambeau. The temperature is coming in at 37. The kickoff temperature was 36, so we've been warming slowly throughout the evening. In Appleton, it is now 37 degrees with southeast winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. But once again, those winds are going to really start to crank up tomorrow night into Monday. We've got a wind advisory for Marquette, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, and Sheboygan counties because southeast winds are going to switch to the north and east as the storm kind of rotates across the Great Lakes tomorrow night into Monday morning, and then to the north and west. And look at those gusts. 45 to potentially 55 miles per hour from central Wisconsin across the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore. This is at noon on Monday, and those northerly winds are going to bring in some much colder weather. You can see we've got blizzard warnings kind of surrounding the winter storm warning to our north and to our west. The storm is a Colorado low. It's pulling out of the Rockies. This is the system that produced all the snow in the Sierra Nevada and flooding across parts of California. It's going to be strengthening rapidly as it moves north and east across the Great Lakes. Out ahead of it today, 30s, 40s, and 50s, but behind it, up in Canada, temperatures this afternoon in the 20s and 30s below zero. Guess where that cold air is coming? It's coming to Wisconsin as we head into next week. All right, a few showers and some fog tonight. Temperatures holding steady. Mid to upper 30s tomorrow. We'll have cloudy skies, a few light showers during the morning, mid to upper 30s. And then we'll see rain switch over to a mix and then eventually snow. Tomorrow evening, that snow will fall heavily at times. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 38. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Oshkosh Area Community Pantry. We did that earlier this week. I forecast 38. The high temperature was 35 degrees. So here's your 7-day forecast, which takes us into 2026. And wow, winter is coming back after about a week and a half of warm temps and melting snow. The opposite is headed towards northeast Wisconsin. 22 on Monday during the morning and falling. 20 if we're lucky on Tuesday. Only 10 for a high on New Year's Day. Nina?
Thanks, Cam. We have more Packers.